Alright everybody, welcome aboard the Celebrity Reflection, and I'm going to share with you a room tour or cabin tour of cabin 9153, which is just a standard veranda stateroom here on board the Celebrity Reflection. So come on and join me for a little room tour here. Upon entering the cabin, on the right side here you've got a small desk with chair. Here's some glasses, and they do send you some Evian bottled water. However, this is not complimentary. There is a charge for this, and we'll show you the rest of the items that there is a charge for as well. Located inside the fridge and the minibar. So one thing you'll notice right here is that we do have two United States style power outlets, and then another, I'm not exactly sure what kind that one is over there, but you do have a couple normal US power outlets, and then a light switch here to turn on the desk light, which is very nice. Hello. Alright, so adjacent to the desk and sitting area, you've got a nice sized couch and table. However, this table is pretty scratched up, so that needs to be replaced probably at some point. And then again, across from the couch and table, here's going to be some more storage along with your TV, which you can get your stateroom account on as well. Again, some more storage up here. You've got two different levels of storage. Nice little countertop over here. This is where they're going to leave all your daily documentation as well. The top cabinet up here is going to be your safe, and this is a safe big enough to fit a laptop inside, I would say. Pretty spacious safe here. Just underneath the safe is where you're going to find your fridge and minibar. This one is fully stocked, so if you don't want any of the minibar items, which there is a cost for, you can obviously ask your stateroom attendant to remove all these items, and you can put whatever else you'd like in there so that you're not charged anything. All right, moving on the other side here is going to be your closets. It's a decent sized closet here. You've got plenty of space inside, two sliding doors. On the right side here you've got your robe. Plenty of hangers up top. You can obviously always bring more or ask for more if you need more. These little things down here come down as well if you want to hang some more items. You can do that and have more sort of hanger space. And then there's plenty of space down below to put your bags and other storage items down there below, along with your shoes and whatnot. Moving on down the cabin here, we've got a queen size bed put together. You can obviously have the beds either separated or connected together. If they're going to be separated, they will put these two nightstands in the middle, separating the beds. You've got little night lights on both sides of the beds as well. One thing that there is not, however, is power outlets. There is no power here at the bed. Sometimes you'll find a phone with a USB outlet, however, this one does not have that. But you do have a little bit of storage in these individual nightstands located on both sides of the bed. In addition, above the bed is additional storage. So you've got both cabinets above both sides of the bed if you have more things that you need to stow away. One thing on Celebrity, the beds are very, very comfortable. So enjoy your lovely sleep. All right, moving on down. So we have on here, we've got some curtains. There's just one. So you can undo these and kind of block the sun out when you're sleeping. And then moving outside, one thing you got to remember though is to keep the handle or to keep the door locked so that the air conditioning stays on. All right, so moving out onto the balcony, we've got two chairs and a table. These are very nice, a nice sized balcony. It's pretty deep, plenty of room out here. So you can sort of tilt the chair back. There's a few different notches here. I can maybe show you. Oh, nope. They've got it locked in place, so you can't adjust the chair leaning mechanism. So I guess just two chairs and a table here. Very nice view here in Port Everglades and Fort Lauderdale. So really nice sized balcony here on the Celebrity Reflection. All right, making our way back inside. All right, so now making our way over to the lavatory, or restroom, or however you'd like to call it. Here's the light switch for your restroom. Again, another full-length mirror. Hello. And then here's your temperature control. Very easy. Blue is cold, red is hot. That's it. Super easy. Then watch your step when you come into the lavatory. So here is the restroom or lavatory, whatever you want to call it. There's plenty of storage here. You've got a opening cabinet down here on the right side with 3 different shelves, and then some more shelving up here above that. So lots of place to store things. Here's where you're going to find your hair dryer. So this is a pretty weak, I think. I don't really use a hair dryer, but this looks pretty small in terms of hair dryer sizes, I'm assuming. But there is a place right above here where you can plug anything else that you have that might need to be plugged in. And then right over here is your sink. Nice little backsplash here, some soap, or actually I think this is lotion, body lotion. And then some more drawers over here for your storage needs. Some very small drawers. And then down here is going to be your trash can. Alright, so there's obviously the loo, and here's the shower. So this is just a regular veranda stateroom, so there's no rainforest or rain head. Shower head, and then just the generic Celebrity branded body wash and shampoo and conditioner. Pretty good sized shower though, plenty of room to maneuver. Alright, so that's going to do it for the cabin tour of stateroom 9153 aboard the Celebrity Reflection. So this cabin is located just outside to the left side of the forward elevator bank. So very close to the forward elevator bank, and so easy access. So very nice stateroom. Doesn't look like there's anything that needs to be done to it other than maybe replacing that scratched up table. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up button and consider hitting that subscription button right there down below with the notification bell on. That way you guys will stay up to date whenever I put out any new content. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see other room tour videos, here's another one you can check out right over here. Bye-bye.